Now let us discuss about PROM. PROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. First let's see what is PROM. PROM has fixed AND gate array followed by programmable OR gate array. So here we will have array means collection. A collection of fixed AND gates. So here the AND gates are not programmable, they are fixed, followed by array means collection, a collection of OR gates, but OR gates are programmable, so we can do some modifications on the OR gate. Now let's see about implementation of full adder using PROM. We know about full adder. It is mainly useful in order to add two binary numbers. So here the inputs are ABC. ABC are the inputs. So here we have 3 inputs. So totally we will have 2 power 3. That is 8 combinations from 0 to 7. So decimal number 0 in binary notation, 1 in binary notation, and the last one is decimal number 7 in binary notation. And these are the inputs. ABC are the inputs, and the outputs are sum and this is output carry. It is denoted by C out. So 000 means sum is 0, output carry is also 0. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 means 1. So sum is 1, output carry is 0. Next here we have 1. So 1 plus 0 means sum is 1, carry is 0. Next 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means sum is 0, carry is 1. Next 1 plus 0 means sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 1, we have 2 ones. So 1 plus 1 means sum is 0, output carry is 1. So 1 plus 1, sum is 0, output carry is 1. So 111 means sum is 1, output carry is 1. So likewise we can, if we have the truth table, then we can easily construct the PROM based upon the truth table. So it may be any problem. It may be full subtractor or half adder, or it may be some number conversion system like BCD to binary or binary to gray code, or any number conversion system. Okay. Now let us see the Boolean function. So the first one is sum. So sum equal to, so this is, here we have sum of products. So sum of products means sigma m. So m means we have min terms. So here we have 4 ones. So we have 1 when the inputs are 0, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 1 in decimal notation is 1. Next 1, 0, 1, 0 in decimal notation is 2. 1, 2. Next 1, 100 in decimal notation is 4. Next 111 in decimal notation is 7. So likewise the carry function is min terms. So here we have 1. So 011. 011 in decimal notation is 3. Next 101 means 5. 110 means 6. 111 means 7. Now let us construct the PROM. So here we have here fixed AND gate array means in PROM we will use decoder. Here we have internally we know that the decoder is internally implemented with the help of AND gates only. So when this Y0 will be active, when the inputs are 000, so that means AND operation will be performed on the 000. So when Y1 will be active, when the inputs are 001. So internally the decoder is implemented with the help of AND gate only. Okay. So here we have 3/8 decoder. The inputs are here the inputs are ABC, whereas the outputs are, we have 8 outputs from Y0 to Y7. Okay. So this decoder is nothing but fixed AND gate array. It is internally implemented with the help of fixed AND gates only. So we have 8 outputs. So this line, Y2 line, Y3 line, Y4 line, Y5 line, Y6 line, and Y7 line. And we have 2 outputs. So what is the first output? The first output is sum. So this is OR gate. And the second output is carry. So this OR gate is nothing but carry. So what is sum? So here 1, 2, 4, 7 are the outputs. So we need to place circle at 1, 2, 4, 7 intersection point. 1, 2, 4, 7. So sum is nothing but sum of y1, y2, y4, y7. So what is y1, y2, y4, y7? 1, 2, 4, 7 only. So that is sum operation. That's why here we use OR operation. Next carry is nothing but sum of 3, 5, 6, 7. So intersection point we need to put the cross. So this is about PROM. So like this we can solve any problem very easily.